So I just completed the next stage here. We put in another row. Basically I can't really show you at this point in time, but there's a lot of weight there. Let me see if I can pull it up here. There's a little bit of a triangle piece in there, and that kicks the cans forward. And then you basically just take that can out and the next falls down. And I noticed that just got stuck, so I might have to put that piece at a bigger angle, it appears. Yep, that's what we have to do. Yeah, you can see that piece right there. But I can get that at a bigger angle, I think. Got all my side pieces done. Got some more I gotta cut yet, but it is definitely taking shape. What a big project, that is for sure.